Guys, you tell me, said somebody nothing fish. I don't believe that. Papa Joe, you don't believe that? Nothing fish, huh? What about this one? What about this one? And that guy too. See? Starting guys, Papa Jerry guys. Starting. Secret move. And si Mama guys. First time fishing Papa Jerry guys. And this is it. Alright, continuous ko lang to guys. Mga guys, wala na ko daw iido guys. Tingnan mo yung kanya guys, ang dami Wow. Tayo medyo maputi naman tayo guys. Kasi you know, Papa Jerry guys, papalatong right? Yan si Mama na guys, Maria Apple Story. Shout out sa mga vlogger dyan si Papa Jerry first time natin fishing yan guys ayan guys, si Mama guys. Paano nyo guys yan? Guys, continuous catching guys. Nothing stop. If you don't believe me, thank you. But that guys, see? Sinato. Continuous na ako guys. If you don't believe me, Papa Jerry continuous catching. Si Papa Jerry. Guys, ayun you don't believe me. You don't believe me because I don't have money. Okay, ayan ang catching ni Papa Jerry guys. First fishing again after the 2 times typhoon coming. And this is it. Right, continues natin guys. At least may vlog tayo. Kaso lang, until now, I don't have a internet. That's a big problem guys. Alright guys, another one. Ano yun guys, kita nyo yan guys. Yan guys, sinasabi ko siya guys. Yan tayo guys, wala tayong choice guys kaya sinato guys andyan lang sa pwesto ya guys. Andito naman tayo sa pwesto natin guys. At least this time guys, sit down with catching. Alright, kutis lang. Magaga pa guys kasi alright Mama. Okay what's that is? The problem guys, I don't have internet guys. That's why I don't have cannot load my video guys. At least mayroon tayong mga activities guys. Right? Gusto lang guys. Another one. Ayun guys, mabigat talaga guys. Ayun guys, simple lang bigat rock ni. Ayun saan na yun? Aray. Pag ganyan lang guys kalalaki, pero kung mga 50 piraso naman, hindi ka natalo. Ganyan mo yung plastic ni nato guys. Dito na tayo. Another one guys. Saan yun? Bigat guys. Guys, malaki talaga. Tama-tama lang laki not bad na yan. Ganyan lang yan. Mamiyan 10 piraso na yan. Mga 30 piraso lang. Guys, another one guys. Guys, okay. Up. Come on, mama. Ayun siya guys, oh. Ayun si Up. Alright guys. Not bad na yan guys. Ganyan ka lalaki. Mga 10 piraso guys, oh. Okay na. Right. Titis natin guys. Alright guys. Yan ang huli natin guys, oh. First again to fishing guys. At least hindi tayo na zero. Right. Yan na yan. Continue na natin yan guys. Kasi busy ako guys. Nag-flooring ako sa bahay ko. Kaya gusto ko I try to eat fish after over almost 3 months guys. Kasi I don't have time to fishing because my car is still broken in the Toyota. At least this is it. Thank you guys. Susimasi. And God bless you guys. See you soon. Yan guys, oh. Yan natin guys, ang dami nito. Yan, yung maputi siguro natin, mga 6. At bad na yan guys. At least 6 o 5. Alright. Gusto pa natin yung fishing. May hinit na guys, gutom na kami. Alright, thank you for watching. I love you guys. God bless you guys. See you soon. Alright guys. This is it, oh. Yun ang huli natin guys. Maputi natin. 10 din pala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oo. 10 pieces of the maputi. And the EE. 60 pieces. Not bad already guys. Alright. This is it. See you soon guys. In first time fishing guys. Okay. Get this guys. This is it guys. I try to catching guys, but I catching 10 pieces, but I try the catching the maputi guys. Come on mama. Sana yun guys. Thanks guys, ayun na. First catch guys. Okay, Sinato guys. And the one fisherman. And look guys, only starting guys. Kuntis na natin. Good afternoon guys. Nakawala naman si Papa Jer guys. Guys, si Mama guys, ito na. Mama Miha. Mami ha. Si Papa. Mama Miha. Mama. Ay guys, come on mama. Come on mama. Continuous na guys, Yan, dito lang yan tayo guys, Nat, dala timba ko, Nat. Timba ko dala. Ha? Di kay buha, may tubig na yan Ayan guys, Utis natin. Alright guys. Kuntis na tayo guys, guys, Yan ang sinasabi ko guys. Pag si Papa Jerry mag-fishing guys, garante. Ayun na guys, kunin natin so 3 pa lang maputi guys. May losing na tayo guys. Pukutis pa rin natin yan guys. Laban Papa Jerry. Laban Papa Jerry. Guys, lumalaban si Papa Jerry guys, Ito mama. Ayun na guys. Guys, may kuha ka? Ayan guys, 1, 2, 3. Pang-4 pa lang guys, sige lang. At least continuous naman guys. Guys, may another one tayo guys, At least I catching this one again. Another one I'm losing. But I wish I think some bigger to another one. Come on mama. Come on mama. Ito na yun guys. Ayan guys, Come on mama. Come on. Hirap guys pag malaki. Ang dumi din guys, Putingin natin. Guys, continuous natin guys. Continuous pa naman kagat yan guys. Kahit paano. Wow! Wow, wow, wow! I love you! Guys, good evening guys. Oh. Tingnan mo yung prank dito sa bahay ko guys. Ang daming law. Ang daming law. First time ko guys after 40 years ko dito guys. First time ko nga ang daming palaka. Alright, good evening guys. I love you guys.